guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Barbara and I do lifestyle content. Today we are at Disney. It's my first time. We are visiting Epcot and I'm taking you guys along for the whole week. We're visiting all the parks. So it's day 2 at Disney. We're at Animal Kingdom right now. I'm just waiting for Guillermo. He had to go grab something in the car real quick before we entered. Not having a great day. It is 2 p.m. and we just got to Disney. Basically, I lost all my footage from yesterday. When I got home, my phone just started randomly turning off and on. I looked online, it said it needed an update. The update, I guess, corrupted my phone and my iCloud, and I couldn't back up my phone or get my photos onto iCloud because it kept turning on and off. So we spent the morning going to a T-Mobile Apple authorized, and they basically told me they couldn't do anything, that I'd have to go to Apple. So I am without a phone, and my phone basically will have to be factory resetted, and yeah, I lose all my stuff from yesterday. I just challenged G to foosball. He's gonna lose. I told you I was gonna whoop your butt.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
Okay. This is a questionable place to put you guys. But anyways, we just got home from Magic Kingdom. We had a lot of fun. I am sunburned really bad here, so we'll have to stop at like CVS or something so I can get like after sun. But we have to leave soon to go to Millennium Mall to go and deal with my phone issues. That's why we left the park early, but it is what it is. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they can save footage from Epcot. I'm just like, I'm praying to the iPhone gods that they can do it. But yeah, anyways, also got this cute little hat from the Pirates of the Caribbean. It's actually pretty funny. The same for Halloween, I should be a pirate. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog. Oh, and for lunch, we stopped at this place. It's something corner, I'll put it down here. And we got hot dogs. I haven't had a hot dog in forever, but I had like obviously a plant-based hot dog. It was pretty good. Fries weren't that great, but the hot dog was really good. I couldn't complain. And yeah, and then I don't think I've updated you at all today. Breakfast today was Starbucks. It was a coffee, that was it. So we're gonna go to the Apple store in Millennium Mall. Probably catch dinner, don't know what we're doing there. And then enjoying our lovely jacuzzi and pool. I had a lot of fun on the first night here. Yesterday we didn't get a chance to do that because of the thunderstorms, but we got to play pool and foosball. And then we might go back to Disney to get the fireworks, but we're not really sure about that. All right, guys, well, I gotta go. So today is the last day at this place. Yo, what is that? Oh, it's a leaf. Today's the last day at this place. I should have booked an extra night, but we're moving to another I don't have a towel. We are moving to another Airbnb tomorrow because tomorrow is checkout for this day. We were supposed to, go to Disney tomorrow, Hollywood Studios, and then just leave from there. But we decided we wanted to stay an extra day because we have, Jesus Christ, that's bad. We've been really tired afterwards, so we don't really want to drive after that. Yikes. Okay, that's not bad, but the top of the shoulder's bad. I hate getting sunburned. But anyways, yeah, so we're gonna take advantage of this lovely pool and jacuzzi because, yeah, I really like this place. We're definitely coming to stay at this Airbnb in the future, if possible, if they have availability. It's really warm. What? It's really warm. Wait, before you go. Okay, so we are finally at the new place. This is the last day that we went to Disney. We went to Hollywood Studios It was pretty cool. We just didn't get to do 2 things that we really wanted to do, which was the House of Terror. That was closed down. And then we didn't get to do one of the Star Wars rides because it was like a 200-minute wait. 215, I think. No, it was too hot to be standing in that. So we came back to the second place, that Airbnb that we're staying at. So we're just going to relax. Tonight we might go to the community pool. I don't know if I'm going to. I'm so tired. And then we leave tomorrow off home, and our vacation's done. Oh, an update on my phone. Basically my phone, the logic board or the motherboard fried, and there was nothing they can do, so I lost all, well, not all, there's like I think 5 videos that they were able to save or like uploaded to the cloud, but yeah, there's nothing that they can do, and I had to get a brand new phone. They didn't even like fix my actual phone. They had to like give me a brand new phone, which is nice. It just sucks. But I'm going to actually restore it now because I didn't get a chance to do that. I was able to use it, I just couldn't restore the information on it. So let's do that and then figure out what's next for the night. I'm thinking sleep.